Hey y'all, my name's Ashley and welcome back. It took a little bit of a break there, but today I wanted to share with you what I got in my Boxycharm January base box and also one of the boxes that I purchased for December add-ons. I actually made a couple purchases and only one box came in so far, but I figured we would just jump into it. It's a new year and here we are. This is this month's base box. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it and pull out the little card. It's fresh start. In other words, another corny way to say a new year, new me BS, but whatever. Jumping right in, the first thing I see is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It looks like this. This retails for $38. It looks just like this. And also, in fact, if you didn't get this item, this is also in the add-ons for this month and it's only $12. So if you wanted to try this out, you didn't get it in your box, you can hop over to add-ons and pick it up. This moisturizer is an oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers a lightweight, lasting hydration without feeling greasy. So, the next item is by, I think it's Queen, or like, I don't even know how to say it, but it's QVEEN, and it is the Dragon Duo eyeliner set. So it comes with a kohl liner. Hey, I always like to test. There is no sharpener on this one. That's kind of disappointing. But then it also comes with a liquid eyeliner. So this is a felt tip. And this retails for $28. Okay, I'm not going to complain about getting an eyeliner in my Boxycharm because I will most likely use it. And it saves on the fact that I have to buy an eyeliner next time I'm in Sephora or Ulta. Because I usually use the KVD tattoo liner. And that's like, I think it's like between $18 and $22. So, might as well try it out. Might as well use it. Because guess what? I didn't have to go to Sephora and buy one. This is actually also in add-ons as well for $6. Next up is the Dr. Brandt's Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So, it looks like that. And this has a retail value of $82. Holy cow. So this is for wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. That's really all it says. Okay, that's not in my language. Alright. So it helps restore and replenish moisture, helps reduce puffiness and fade dark circles of lines and wrinkles, and helps recharge tired eyes and provides a more rested look. Alright, for $82, I might as well try this out. So add that to the list. So this item is, I believe this is what I chose. I can't remember what the choices were, but this sounded really interesting to me. And it is the Lifestyle Co. Reset Mist. And it's quartz infused. It smells like lavender. And it's just a body spray and a linen spray. And I've had like sprays for your pillow. And I feel like this is kind of the same concept because it is lavender. But, let's see. Yeah, it's very lavendery. So this is like the same idea as like, I believe Slip makes one where you just like spray it on your pillow before you go to bed or spritz the room before you go to bed. And I kind of like that concept because you don't want to fall asleep with lighting a candle, so why not spray the room? So this retails for $36, and yet again, this is also in add-ons for $12. So, and finally, it's the Ciate. So finally, it's the Ciate London's The Velvet Palette. And this retails for $30. Last time I got a Ciate London palette, it was all shimmers. So I'm kind of hoping it's not the same concept. And then it looks like this. Got like a soft matte touch to it. Oh my god, I'm going to break a nail trying to open it. Alright. Yeah, it looks like a lot of shimmers again. Actually, I don't know. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Now I noticed, I saw what other people got in their boxes, and out of the two palettes, I'm actually relieved that I got this one. The olive palette with greens, I have green eyes, so I'm not one to reach to do green eyeshadow looks. But this, yet again, is in the add-on store. So if you missed out on this palette and it's something that you want to try, it is $12 in the add-on store. So with everything added up, it came to $214, and so I paid $25 for this box. And I've noticed in the last few months, Boxycharm has like gotten a hell of a lot better, because I am one to be like, well, that's a load of shit, or this is a really good box. And I'm happy with this box minus the palette, but everything else kind of makes up for it because I chose the spray. I'm excited to try that out. I've never had a problem with any pharmacy skincare, and everything that I've tried I've loved. Dr. Brandt, I know, is a very expensive skincare line. I've tried a few things from them, loved everything I tried, excited to try that as well. And then the eyeliner, like, you can't be upset that you got an eyeliner when it's something that you use day to day if you're an eyeliner wearer. I am. I always have a wing on my eye, so I'm excited to try it out. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the add-ons now. This is the first, I think, this is actually the second order I made. I don't know where my first order is. I keep tracking it, and it's, like, stuck in Pennsylvania. Like, that does me no good. So I picked up the Benefit Professional Hydrating Primer. I use the regular one all the time, and it's winter, and even though I'm in Texas, I'm in Houston, so it's usually pretty humid outside, my skin still gets dry as hell in the winter. So I wanted to try this one out because I've been using the other Professional, like the original Professional, for years now, and I've never had an issue with it. I love it. And for $9, I was like, you know what? It's better than $32. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase it and see if I enjoy it. The next item I got was one of the deals of the day where you buy two for a discounted price. So I picked up the Exfoliating Swipies by Go-To Skincare. And I actually received this in a previous box, but I've enjoyed this product. I put it in my gym bag and my bag for kickball. That way, if, you know, it's hot or muggy out, and it hasn't been, but I like to wash my face after I go to the gym and after I play kickball. And when I'm playing kickball, there's nowhere for me to really go wash my face, and so I kind of just wipe my face down with these, and they've come in handy. I share them with my teammates, share them with my wife while we're there, so that way it's just a good grab go product to have in your bag. And I paid for two of these, it was $12. The original price of these is $35 a box. So these two items together is $70. Then I picked up the Makeup Erasers sponge. I actually don't use a lot of sponges. I kind of use it like after I put my foundation on with a brush. I kind of just use a sponge to like kind of blend it out and make sure there's no like brush strokes in it. But this really intrigued me because there was a laundry ball. Like, you can put this in the wash machine. And I'm curious enough to try out other sponges in this ball and see if it's just the ball itself is the awesome product or if the sponges as well. And I paid $6 for this. It's originally $18. I'm excited to try it. And then the final thing that I picked up from add-ons is the Illuminati Cosmetics Gel Paint Eyeliners in the shade Electric Pink and Electric Blue. And these were only $6, but apparently they retail for $42, which that's a lot for a fucking eyeliner. But I like the idea of having a colored kohl or colored gel eyeliner to put in my waterline. Oh, wow. I'm going to go ahead and like swatch these on my hand. These are pretty bold. I'm actually really excited to try these out. So if you can see that, you can barely see it because it's not big enough. But it's like bold ass pink and like a pretty bold blue. So I'm excited to try these out for more colorful looks. To be quite honest, I don't do neutral looks anyway. But I'll be excited to try these, like a pop in my waterline. Maybe even do like a colored wing. But, so with the stuff that I bought from add-ons, the total, if I paid full price for all of those items in add-ons, would have been $162. The total I paid was only $33. So I saved about $129. And to me, that's like, I wouldn't pay $129 for all of that stuff. But for the fact that I could pick it up in boxy add-ons, you kind of can't say no. But yeah, so I thought I'd share that with you. I am subscribed to also Boxy Premium, or yeah, it's Premium this month. So that will be coming in. I'll probably share that with y'all as well. But I am going to try these products this month and see if they were even worth getting and kind of update y'all at the end of the month. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it. Subscribe if you want to stick around. If not, I don't blame you. And until next time, bye y'all.